Hey mathematicians, Mrs. Dahl here. You can see that I have this big word on the top of my whiteboard. Let's read it together. Multiplication. Today we're going to talk about multiplication and see how it's the same as adding equal groups. So to make sure that I have equal groups, and two different groups is what I'm going to start off with, I have this two-part sorting mat. So I'm going to start with some cubes. And remember, multiplication is equal groups. So if I put some in one group, I need to have the same amount in another group. So right here, you can see that I have two groups of 2. And when we add them together, that's 4. When we multiply them together, we use a times symbol. 2 times 2, because we have two groups of 2, equals, altogether we have 4. 2 times 2 equals 4. Let's try that with another group. Let's put 3 in each group. So right now I have 3 in each group. I have 2 groups still. I didn't change that because I didn't change my sorting mat. I have 3 groups of 2. So 3 times 2 equals 6. Are you noticing a pattern? Multiplication is repeated addition. So since I'm using a two-part mat, I am actually doing my doubles. When I had 2 plus 2, that was 4. When I have 3 plus 3, that's 6. So when I'm multiplying or timesing anything by 2, it's kind of like a doubles fact. Let's try that with 4. If I still have my 2 groups, but now I have 4 in each group, well, remember, this right here, when I'm timesing by 2, means I have 2 groups. So that's like saying 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4, and we know from our doubles facts that 4 plus 4 equals 8. So again, 2 groups of 4, or 4 times 2 equals 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try that with 5 in each one of our 2 groups. I know you know already. Since it's repeated addition, this is 5 plus 5, or 5 times 2 groups that we have, equals 10, because 5 plus 5 equals 10. So what would 6 times 2 be? Think about having our doubles facts. And 6 plus 6, or 6 times 2 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 6 times 2 equals 12. And again, since we have 2 groups, we're adding 6 twice, and that becomes a doubles fact. So today we learned that multiplication is the same as repeated addition, and we saw that 2 groups is the same as doubles facts. Since we had our two-part sorting mat and 2 sections, we looked at each one in 2 sections. So times 2, you can see all of my multiplication problems or sentences that I have written out here are times 2. So if I had 1 times 2, that would be like having 1 in each group. That would be 2, and that's 1 plus 1. 2 times 2 is the same as 2 plus 2. 3 times 2 is the same as 3 plus 3. 4 plus 4, 5 plus 5, 6 plus 6, 7 plus 7, 8 plus 8. So anytime you're trying to multiply or times anything by 2, it's that number's doubles fact. All right, thanks for listening. See you next time.